James,
yo,
what is this boat that you were detailing today?
I'm actually just checking the engineering out on these wipers, to be honest with you, and I'm really liking it. Seeing the mechanism on that. I want to keep it and hold it there, but it's not holding. It doesn't lock in there. Never mind. Just have to hold it in place.
So what was this Bentley in for today, James?
Polishing, coatings, and some interior work with some questionable stains in the back seat.
What do you mean by that?
So yeah, polishing coatings all the way around, done the pre-wash, sort of done a good job of the wheels, and now we're, as you can see, contact washing the paintwork. Buckets, mitts, grit guards, all that good stuff with a nice lovely shampoo that we've got. I mean, do you class this as a car or do you class this as a boat? Just noticed there's a bit of lack of peel in that far corner there, so that's mainly because obviously the vehicle's older, and when you've got some like cracks in the paintwork like that, don't know if you can see that on camera, in and around where the door handles are, sort of edges where the trim is, then if you get a high pressure hose close to that area, then it's just going to end up looking like that. Let me show you. Sort of just see that there. I know it's a bit wet, but you'll just see the fine sort of mark there between lacquer, not lacquer, clear coat there, paintwork here. So it starts roughly about there, and you've just got paintwork and then clear coat. So again, that's going to be going to make a lot worse. Nothing you can do about that, but just be mindful of that area. Car washes, I don't care.
James, are these the stains you were talking about?
To be fair, you've removed quite a bit of them, haven't you? In the centre bit, wasn't it? And
it was.
Just a bit of leather cleaner, really, wasn't it?
No, it was my hours of labour and magic.
Bit of leather cleaner, a bit of elbow grease, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
And a good scrubbing ninja, and that's come up all right, to be fair. Just want to see if it come up before we actually do a proper interior deep clean. There are some other questionable marks on the back, but you know, that was the worst of it, so that's come up, so that'd be very nice. So now just doing a lot of detailing brushwork in and around all the big gaps, door shuts, you name it, and going around, I don't want to call it a car, going around the limo. How old do you reckon this Bentley is? I'd honestly say it's probably older than me, don't you think?
Do you know how old are you?
How old am I?
23?
Correct.
Yeah?
So it's, yes, 23. Very struggled uphill grafter of paper round. So the first model come off the production line in 1985. Yeah. Wow, definitely older than me. What do you reckon this colour?
I like it.
Yeah, you would. Baby blue.
If it was in the trends back then, they'd call this Tiffany, wouldn't they?
Oh, it is a nice colour. I won't choose it personally.
James, can I ask you what colour your Bentley is, mate?
My Bentley is a white Peugeot Expert Vulpix detailing van.
What's your suspicions, James?
I thought it'd be a lot more contaminated than what it is.
How do you know it's not, for those at home?
When you wash the car, you're not able to remove certain contamination off the paintwork in the form of sort of your iron fallout, which is what this is now, tar spots and all that sort of hidden, baked in contamination on paintwork. So what this is doing is allowing that to safely be removed and then rinsed off the paintwork. So if it's been heavily contaminated, it's not been sort of well looked after, many years, where it's just been never polished, never detailed, stuff like that, then you'd see it basically turning a certain different colour, which is generally purple, and a good indication the iron particulates that are in the paintwork has been removed safely. This doesn't seem to be that much. I mean, there's quite a bit. Nothing to worry about, I don't think. Nothing scary. You see sort of coming down there. Rubbing up against this Tiffany blue paintwork before I'm even claying it. Yes, it's going to be slippy because of the actual sort of shampoo that I put from my snow foam lance to aid me with the claying, but I'm just looking for any sort of knobbly bits in the paintwork, any stuff that shouldn't be there before I end up claying. And also as you clay, go back, because you've got one hand claying, the other hand is going to feel the paintwork to make sure before and afters, but it does feel really smooth, to be fair. Yes, I know it's got shampoo on it, Ian. I don't know if anyone has ever noticed. Sometimes, depending on how you like to clay, if you're not confident with having all fingers against the actual clay itself and you can't control it that way, and you're a little bit inexperienced, put it in between your fingers there like that, just so you can get a bit of a pinch on it, so you're not going to drop it that way.
What have you found, James?
I found what looks to be, I don't know, paint from someone's garage. It's coming off. I'm just using the end of my fingernail, can you see that? So if I try and get my nail against it, see how now that's come off? I believe some sort of paintwork. As in like someone's painted the garage or something. To remove, just got to be a bit patient. The customer, no doubt, will know about this. The worst paintwork from new, from any manufacturer. What do you think it is?
Tesla?
Why is that? Tell me why.
I've seen all the chips in the Teslas that come in.
You've heard me effing blind enough time when polishing enough Teslas to know they're not the best, are they? Newer cars have come to us, haven't they? Brand new cars. Sanding marks, scratches. Yay! It's like that around here sometimes. Got to ask him how to turn it on.
Where's the push to start?
Right, over. Run. Lock. Run. So what's that? I don't know what I was worried about. Loads of room. It's a boat. It's a big baby blue boat. Am I alright? Yeah. Keep going to the right chest. What am I like on the front? There's the room. I've never used a Versatool before. It's a very jittery machine.
What do you think of your new polisher then, James?
Awful.
That is one big pile of
Why is that?
It's just very grabby. I mean, that's generally to the pad, but throwing the machine should be a lot smoother. It's just not, it's not nice at all. Oh yeah, much better.
What's that bucket for, James?
So it's my pad cleaning bucket, so I don't have to take the pads off the machine. You can literally go straight to the pad cleaning bucket, press it down, bit of water, away you go. Turn the machine over, gets rid of all the old compound and stuff you don't want, and then blow it out and good to go. You've got pretty much a fresh pad every time. It's an expensive bucket, but allows you to work a lot more efficiently.
What are we up to now, James?
Fortunately, unfortunately, I am coating because we've not done very many polishing shots because Dill kindly, haven't you? I've been doing some editing, jumping on the interior, as you can see over there. Look at them lines, them stripes, them carpets. Absolutely beautiful. So, because I've been doing that, I'm very in little other sort of other shots what I've been cracking on with today. But the Bentley is polished, hence why I'm now coating it. And there's a few little bits I need to go, like the front grills. I've hand polished them, but actually machine polish them. But there's a few little bits apart from that. I'm pretty much 95% there with everything. So now, Dill, you're going to still crack on with some interior stuff, aren't you? Even Elliot's washing the car.
It's not a good day if I'm washing cars, lads.
That's how busy we are. A nice car, actually. I know he's getting some dent repair on that rear quarter. Did he tell you why?
I don't know, but his like neighbours or something like that drop kicked the car. Like you can see the quarter panel, it's like got a foot mark in it now. I don't know if you can tell on camera because it's all solid colour, but
that's not the original Ford ST bodyline, is
that's
it?
not.
The original bodyline's there, and he goes, woo!
Jokes aside, some did that to his car, which is horrible, and then he's also got that mark there, look, which is like creased it.
I never want a situation where... Yes, of course, it's all me.
It's an absolute credit to you, that. An absolute credit.
Thank you very much.
To you.
What's your suspicions, Jay?
In the mouth? Yeah? Any stuff that shouldn't be there.
I'm saying that. Tranquilitis.
No. Tranquility. What? Tranquilitis? Tranquilitis? No.
Ventriloquist.
Ventriloquist!